So I've been fasting for 18 hours and now I'm ready to break my fast. So let's go over exactly what I'm gonna eat, all the foods I'm gonna be eating to break this fast. Okay, first thing I'm having is 1 can of sardines. So I'm gonna get about 25 grams of protein in these sardines. Plus I'm getting the bones of the sardines, the connective tissue, the skin, which is really healthy for you. Plus sardines are really high in those omega-3 fatty acids, which is great for brain health, great for reducing inflammation within the body. I'm also having 1 whole avocado. See, avocados are really high in potassium, which is great. Also high in fiber, probably 15, 16 grams of fiber in this avocado. I'm also gonna have a handful of strawberries and blueberries, really high in antioxidants. Plus, they're also gonna add like a lot of flavor and color to the meal. See, I always like to prioritize protein whenever I'm eating. So I want more than just the 25 grams of protein from these sardines. I'm gonna add a protein shake to this meal as well. So what I have in this protein shake is first I have 1 scoop of collagen protein powder. See, collagen protein powder is great for your skin, for your hair, for your nails. It has a certain amino acid profile that is really good for that. Also good for your joints. So 1 scoop will give me about 10 grams of protein there. And then I'm also gonna add about a half a scoop of a whey protein isolate. This is vanilla, it makes the protein shake taste really good. It's sweetened with a little monk fruit and stevia. Plus, whey protein isolate is really high in leucine, which is probably the most important muscle building amino acid. See, collagen is not that high in leucine. So the combination of the collagen with the whey protein isolate is just a great combination of a protein powder. I'm also gonna be adding 1 tablespoon of like a beetroot powder. I really like beetroot powder because it's high in nitrates. And nitrates get converted into nitric oxide within the body, which is great for blood flow. It's a great supplement. I have some type of beetroot powder or drink beet juice just about every single day. I'm also gonna be adding 2.5 grams of creatine. Creatine is definitely the best muscle building supplement out there by far. And then I'm also gonna add about 5 or 6 grams of L-citrulline. See, L-citrulline is a non-essential amino acid that also increases nitric oxide within the body, but it uses a different mechanism than the beetroot powder. See, L-citrulline helps the body make arginine. And then when arginine is elevated within the body, your body will have higher levels of nitric oxide. So the combination of the L-citrulline along with the beetroot powder is really great for increasing nitric oxide. And I think this is like the perfect meal. High in protein, high in fiber, loaded with nutrition.